Hello everyone, I'm Saloni Gupta and in this video we are going to cover about the Heron's formula. So this is the chapter 10 of the class 9th. So let us learn today what is Heron's formula. Okay, so we know that if how to find the area of a triangle, we are just learning it from the 6th, 7th class. But you have seen that whenever we have to calculate the area of a triangle, what we do, the base is given to us and the height is given to us. But suppose if only the sides are given to you and there is no idea how to find out the height. So is it possible to find out the area of the triangle? So this is how the role of Heron's formula comes. Okay, so when the only sides are given to us and we have to calculate the area of a triangle, we use the Heron's formula. Okay, so when the area of a triangle, when base and height is given, so we use 1 upon 2 into base into height. And when only sides are given, then we use Heron's formula, and that is s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. Okay, this is in square root. Now, what is this s? S is the half parameter, and how you will calculate it? You will add all the sides and you will divide it by 2. Okay, so this is the value of s. And this a, b, and c, these are sides of a triangle. So let us do some questions based on this. Okay, so we are covering here the chapter. We are covering the first exercise of this Heron's formula. So let us first do the easy question of this, and that is the question number 4. So let us see how we can solve it. Find the area of a triangle whose two sides are given to us 18 centimeter and 10 centimeter, and the parameter is given to us 42. Okay, so here the you can make this mistake that you will consider this 42 as the third side. Okay, so in haste it happens. Okay, so make sure you are just taking it as the parameter only. So parameter is given to us, that is 42. Okay, and the two sides are given. Okay, let it be a. So a is 80, b equals to 10 centimeter, right? And this is 42 centimeter, and we will find out the c, right? So how you will find out the c? The c will be 42 minus the sum of a plus b, that is 28. So 42 minus 28, that will give you 40. So 14 centimeter is my third side. Okay, so now we have all the side a, b, and c, and I have to find out the semi parameter, or you say half parameter. Okay, so this will be 10 plus, okay, this is 10, then 80, 28, and 28 plus 40. Okay, that will be 42 only, and divided by 2, so this will give you 21 centimeter. Now apply the formula. So that is under root s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. Okay, so now I will put the values one by one. So now this is given to me that the value of s is 21. So 21 into 21 minus a, that is 80. Okay, so 21 minus 80, then into 21 minus, I'm so sorry. Okay, so bracket 21 minus b, that is 10. Then 21 minus c. So c is 40. Now we will calculate it. So 21 under root 21 into 21 minus 18 is 3. 21 minus 10 is, okay, this will give you 11. Then 14 plus 7 is 21. So 11 into 7. Okay, so now we can see this 7 into 3 is also 21. So I can write it as 21 into 21 into 7. Okay, so what is my answer is coming? I can write it as 21 under root 7 centimeter square. Okay, so can I calculate my area in this way? Yes. Okay, so our answer is coming 21 centimeter square. Okay, so I'm so sorry all of you, we just put it 7. Okay, so we have to write it 11 here. Okay, so what is the answer is coming? 21 into 3 into 7. Okay, so 3 7s are 21 and then bracket 11. Okay, so this is how we are getting. So our answer became 21 under root 11 centimeter square. Okay, so this is the first question. Now let us do some more questions. Okay, so now this was the question 4. So let us do the question 1. Okay, so here is the question 1. Okay, so the question 1 is what? A traffic signal board indicating the school ahead is an equilateral triangle with a side A, and we have to find the area of the signal board using the Heron's formula. If its parameter is 180 centimeter, what will be the area of the triangle? Okay, so let us do it. Okay, so I'm writing the question here. Okay, so this is the question given to us. A traffic signal board indicating school ahead is an equilateral triangle. So we will make the equilateral triangle here. Okay, and the side is given. In an equilateral triangle, we know all the sides are equal. Right, and find the area of the signal board using the Heron's formula if the parameter is 180 centimeter. Okay, that means what is given to us? Okay, this is the sum of all sides. If I will divide this 180 by 2, I will get the same parameter, right? And that will be 90, or we say half parameter. Okay, so this is 90 centimeter. Now, if you will divide this 180 by 3, you will get the side of a triangle, that is 60 centimeter. So now let us solve. Okay, so this is the value of A. Okay, so we will put the formula. What was the formula? Under root S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Okay, so now put the values. Okay, so S is given to us, that is 90. So 90, then 90 minus 60 into 90 minus 60 into 90 minus 60. Okay, so this we have done. So this will become 90 into 30 into 30 into 30. Right. So this we can see now. This 90 I can break it as 33 is a 90. So 3 into 30 into 30 into 30 into 30. Okay, so this you can see we can make the pairs now. So 30 into 30 will be outside this square root, and now only 3 will be left. So answer is 900 under root 3 centimeter square. Okay, so this is we have done the question number 2nd. So I hope you have understood this question number 2nd. So this is the answer, 900 under root 3 centimeter square. So let us do the next question. So the next question is that the triangular side wall of a flyover have been used for advertisement. The side of the walls are 122 meter, 22 meter and 120 meter. Okay, so you can see the figure is given in the textbook and this is how it will look like. Okay, so this one you can see the question number 2. Okay, so this is the flyover given to us. Okay, and the sides are given 122 meter, 22 meter and 120. So these 3 sides are given. So first we will find out the area and then we will do the rest of the part. Okay, so the sides are A equals to, you can take 122, B is 22, C is 120 meter. Okay, so now let us find out the S. So 122 plus 120. Okay, so 122 plus 120. So this will give you 242 plus 22. Okay, so 244 plus 20, 262 divide by 2. Okay, so this is 262 divide by 2. Right, so 122, sorry, this will give you 144. This is 144 and then 120. So this will give you 264. Now if you will divide it, so you will get the answer 132 meter. Right, so these all are in meter. Now this is given to us, this we have find out what is S. Now we will put the formula. So the formula was under root. Okay, so this we can see S into S minus A. As many times you will write the formula, you will learn it. Okay, so S in minus B, then S minus C. So now we can find out the values. So we can put the values here. So 132 bracket 132 minus 122. So this will give you 10 meter. Right, and then S minus B. So S minus B is 132 minus 22. Okay, so this will give you 110. So into 110, then 132 minus 120. So this will give you 12. Right, so what are the values? 132. Okay, this you will write 12 into 11. This will give you 132. Right, so 132 into, okay, so here is also 11 into 10. I can break 110 as. So 12 into 11, again 132 will come, and 10 into 10. This is how we can break. Okay, no need to do this lengthy calculation. Okay, just do the smart calculation. So now what you got here, 132 into 132, 1 pair, and 10. So that means I can take 132 into 10. So what is my answer? This will be 1320 meters square. Okay, so this is my area. Now what I have to find? They have given that 5,000 per meter square per year they are charging. Okay, the advertisement yield as earning of rupees 5,000 per meter square, right? And we have taken it for 3 months. Okay, so company had one of its wall for 3 months. How much rent did it pay? So for 1 meter square they have given us, right, 5,000, and it is for per year. So for 1 meter square, 5,000 rupees per year. Now if I have to find it for per month, I can divide it by 12. So 1 meter square equals to 5,000 into upon 12, right? Not into. Okay, so upon 12 we can write. Then for 3 months I have to do, and how much? 1320 meters square. Okay, so this will be equals to 5,000 by 12 into 3. Right, so this we have to do for 3 months, and 1320 we will write. Right, now we know 12 11s of 132, so I can divide this 132 easily. So this will give me 11 and the 0. So 110 we got. 110 into 3 will give you 330. So 5,000 into 330. Okay, so how much we will get? 4 zeros, and 33 into 5 will give you 165. Okay, so this is how we can get the answer. So first comma after 30, second comma after 20. Right, so this is how the Indian number system work. Okay, so just a minute. So this we can see what we got. It is ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, 16 lakh, 50,000. Okay, and this is in rupees. So this is our answer we have got. So now let us do the next question. There is a slide in a park. One of its side wall has been painted in some color with a message, keep the park green and clean. Okay, so if the side of the wall are 15, 11 and 6, we have to find the area painted in color. Okay, so the simple question. Okay, so this is the diagram that is given in the book. Okay, so keep the park green and clean. Okay, so the sides are given 11, 6 and 15. Okay, so you can make the diagram also. Right, so what are the sides given to us? 11, 6 and 15. So 11 meter, here is 6 meter, and this is 15 meter. Okay, so again we will find out the S. So S will be sum of all these sides, divide by 2. So 11 plus 50, this will be 26. 26 plus 6 is 32, divide by 2. Okay, so that is 16 meter we have got. Now we have to find out the area. So under root S is what? 16. Okay, bracket 16 minus 11. So 16 minus 11, then 16 minus 50, and 16 minus 6. Right, so this we can see. So under root 16 into 16 minus 11 is 5 into 1 into 10. Right, so now I can write this as, okay, this is 4 into 4 I can write. This is into 5. Right, and this is 1. 5 ones are 1, so nothing. And 2 into 5 I can write. Okay, so what we are getting? 4 5s are 20 under root. And this 2 is left. So 4 5s are 20 under root 2 meter square is our answer. So now let us do the second question. Sorry, next question. So this we can see side of the triangles are in the ratio of 12 is to 70 is to 25 and its parameter is 540 centimeter. Okay, so you have seen this question. Okay, if you will read the half part up to 540 centimeter. Okay, so now here becomes the role of basics. If you don't know how to solve this and get the sides, you will not be able to find the area. Right, so for this, what we will do? Okay, so let us understand. Whenever the ratios are given, okay, we will just remove the ratios and we will put the x. So this will become 12x, right, plus 17x plus 25x. Okay, so the sides are now 12x, 17x and 25x. And we will divide it by 2. And the parameter, right, it is given to us. I'm so sorry. This, okay, do not write it. We will first find out the value of this x. Okay, so is equals to 540 centimeter. It is given to us. Okay, so they are in the ratio. And how we get the ratio? By dividing the number by a common factor. Right. So that common factor, after, okay, whenever we are removing the ratio, we multiply it. Okay, so here that common factor is x. So now if you will multiply it, you will get the each side. So 12x, 17x and 25x. So if you will add it, so what you will get? 27, 37 and this will give you 54. So 54x we are getting. It is equals to 540 centimeter. Now I have to find the value of this x. So my value of x became 54. 540 divided by 54. Right, and that is equals to 10 centimeter or just 10. Okay, so the value of x is 10. So now what are the sides? It will become 120, 170 and 250. Right, so what will be my s? So this will be 120 plus 170 plus 250, right, divide by 2. Okay, so we know the sum of this, that is 540 divide by 2. So this will become 270 meter. Sorry, centimeter. Okay, so this is 270 centimeter is our half parameter. Now I will find out what is area. Okay, so area will be under root. This s is 270. Then into, right, 270 minus 120. So this will give you 250. Then again subtract the 100. So this will give you 150. Okay, so 150. Then this is 170. So if you will remove it, subtract it. So you will get 100. Then if you will subtract this 250 from 270, you will get the 20. Right, so this we have got. Now let us multiply. Okay, so this 27 is given to me. So how I can write it? This I can write 9 and 2, 3. Okay, this 9 is made up of 3 into 3. Right, so I can take it as 3 here. Okay, so this is, then 10 is given. So into 10, 9 3s are 27, 10s are 270. 150 can be breaked as 3 5s are 50 into 10. Right, 100 again, this is 10 into 10. Right, then 20 can be written as 10 into 2. Right, so 5 2s are 10. Okay, so again 10 we are having. So total how many 10s we are having? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and this 5 into 10 will also give you 10. So 6 10 we are having. That means 3 10 I can take out. Right, this 9 is pair of 3. Okay, so I can take 1 3 from here and this 3. Okay, so this I can also take. So what is my answer now? So 3 3s are 9. 9 10s are 90. 10s are 900. 10s are 9000. So 9000 centimeter square is my area. Okay, so this is we have. So I hope you all have understood how we got this 9000 centimeter square. Okay, so now let us do the last question of this exercise. Okay, so an isosceles triangle has parameter 30 centimeter and each of the equal side is 12 centimeter. Okay, so this is same as the first question we have done. Only the thing is that the equal sides, okay, so we know that in the isosceles triangle, there are two sides equal, right? And we have to find the third side. So we will subtract this 12 plus 12 from 30. Okay, so this you can take as A is given 12, B is given 12, and let us take C as X. Okay, so now we know that the sum of all side is equal to its parameter. So this is equals to 30 centimeter. So from here you will get the value of x as 6 centimeter. This I have got. Now after that, okay, I will find out the area. So first we will have to find out the semi parameter. So this s will be, okay, 30 divided by 2, we will do it directly. Okay, we have to take the just half of the parameter. So this will be 50. Right, so now let us put it into the formula. So s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. Okay, so how we can see? Okay, so s is what? 50. Then s minus a. So 15 minus a is 12. So 15 minus 12. Then 15 minus 12 again, as two sides are equal. Right, and third is 6. So 15 minus 6. So now what we are getting? This is 50 into 15 minus 12 is 3. Into 3, 15 minus 6 is 9. Okay, so 9 also can be written as 3 into 3. Okay, so what is left then? If you will see, this 15 can be written as 3 into 5, but there is no pair that we can make with 3 and 5. So we will take out this 3 into 3. So 3 into 3 under root 50. So what I got? My answer is 9 under root 15 centimeter square. Okay, so this is the answer of this last question. So I hope all of you have covered this each and every question and the concept that we have covered in this video. Okay, so what we cover? How to find out the area of a triangle when the base and height is given, and how to find out the area of any triangle, okay, whose sides are given but not the height. Right, so we discuss about what is the half parameter, that is s, and the formula to find out the half parameter, and then we see, right, what is the formula of Heron's. Okay, so Heron's formula was under root s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. Then we discuss the questions of exercise 13.1. So in this in this video, I have covered all the questions of this chapter. Okay, the first exercise I have completed. Okay, so in some books it is the chapter 10, right, and in some books it is the chapter 12. Okay, so you can see it accordingly, but yes, the title is same, that is Heron's formula. So that's it. So thank you all of you. Thanks for watching.